Hi everyone. So are you someone who's dealing with under eye dark circles? You've tried a lot of products, you've tried a lot of expensive treatments, but it still doesn't go away. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all a very quick and effective way of getting rid of these dark circles. Anyone can easily make this at home because I'm going to be making it very simple and easy for y'all. So even beginners can go ahead and make this and use it. So today the product that we are going to be making is cucumber and mint under eye dark circle removal gel. Now for that, here I have my cucumber and mint water which I have taken. You can use cucumber and mint dried, the dried pieces of it. You can soak it overnight in hot water and then you can use the water of it. Now mint has excellent cooling properties, and because of the menthol that it contains, it helps in very good circulation of blood under your eyes, which is because of which many people, due to the circulation not being good enough, you get these under eye dark circles. So it helps with that a lot. Plus it contains a very high amount of antioxidants, vitamin C, both cucumber and mint, which helps to lighten your under eye dark circles. So we'll quickly start with the making of this gel. Now as I told you, here I have taken my mint and cucumber water. The measurements are going to be shared in the description box so that you all can make this. Here I have my glycerin and I have my gumming agent. Now you can either use xanthan gum, you can use gore gum, or any other gumming agent that you have available. We'll go ahead and quickly make a slurry of this. Okay, so I've gone ahead and made a smooth slurry of this mixture here, and now we are going to go ahead and add this into our solution that we have here, the mint and cucumber solution. Now for those who don't want to make this water, you can also use cucumber and mint hydrosol if that is available. That is a substitute for it. Now what we are going to do is we are just going to mix this in the liquid, and we are going to leave it to gel. If you see, it's already beginning to thicken. If you can see the consistency, how this is thickening. So we just need to give it some time to rest so that it completely thickens and we get a beautiful gel consistency out of this. Okay, so now I have kept this mixture for around 15 to 20 minutes and you can see how beautiful the gel is. It's set beautifully. And now we'll go ahead and add our preservative to this. And I have a little bit of cucumber peel powder, which again is excellent to give you that cooling effect on the under eyes, and which helps to fade away all the dark, the darkness that you have under your eyes, and the puffiness as well. So this soothes the puffiness of the eyes. Okay, so I'm going ahead and mixing all this, and you can see how beautiful our gel looks. Now once this is ready, you can just put it in a jar in any container. And I'll show you how beautifully this glides in on your skin, leaving a very lightweight gel finish. So you just need to rub this in circular motion on your under eyes and massage it for around 3 to 4 minutes and leave it to get absorbed into your skin. So you can see how beautiful hydrating this is for your skin. You need to use this twice a day if you have a lot of under eye dark circles and puffiness. You will see that within a week of using, you will see the changes on the under eye dark circles. So please do give this a try. Even if you're a beginner, this is very simple and easy to make. The formulation will be shared in the description box. For those of y'all who want to learn advanced formulations for commercial selling, y'all can connect with me on the WhatsApp number to join our workshops. Thank you so much, everyone.